I think there's a special connection between bees and humans, especially here in my region, in my country, in Slovenia, because when human is born, we light a candle, and when somebody dies, we also light a candle, and the candles are made of beeswax, which means that the bees, they escort us for the whole of our life. When I was younger, when I was a small kid, I never wanted to become a beekeeper. But actually my father is a beekeeper, my grandfather is a beekeeper, and my grandfather was a beekeeper as well. When I studied journalism, then I just didn't find myself in this profession, being a journalist, and I decided to dedicate my life to the bees. The bees make me proud, because I also continue not only a family tradition, but only a tradition of my country. From March to September, I'm with my bees all day long. I move them around Slovenia to get different sorts of honey, and I also produce other bee products. Well, nowadays we use modern technology. We don't move bees with horses or bulls like they used to do it like 200 years ago. Today we use trucks or trailers, and we also we're doing some monitoring. We use some scales. Even today we have to check bees. Every colony I check at least once in 10 days. We don't have robots to do it instead of us.
We are present for more than 30 countries. For us, it's important to vet the value to the products the bees produce. So like honey, royal jelly, beeswax, and of course bee pollen. The bee cannot survive by itself. The bees can survive only a part of the family. So this is very important to share the values of the bees. Their values are great communication, lifelong learning, very, very high efficiency. So living together, and this what is we also want to introduce from the bees world to humans. I visited China in November as part of the state delegation, but where I really think it can be a great place to start cooperation is the China will to develop special, ecological farms, and here the beekeeping for definitely will have a very important role.